Hey guys, good morning. Guys, if you are able to see my screen, just type S in the chat box so that we can get started. So thanks for the confirmation. We'll begin the session. Yes, good morning everyone. So yesterday I covered how to take the screenshots, right? So today also we'll continue with that screenshots related topics that are left out. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to launch my Eclipse IDE. And here I'll open the Evernote, the notes that I have for demonstrating. Yeah, these are the Evernote notes. Okay, so I'll go here and open them in new tab. So yesterday I covered a lot of things, guys, like how to take the screenshots in Selenium by writing just these 2 lines of code. And I mentioned that instead of using a third-party library and to use file utils in place of file utils from Apache Commons IO, we are going to use file handler.copy, which is now inbuilt in Selenium itself. Okay, in place of file utils, we are going to use file handler.copy. I showed you how to take the screenshot of a particular web element, only one element. Okay, using get screenshot as method, element.get screenshot as method. And you can also take the screenshot of particular section where you create a web element for that particular section that you want to take screenshot of, and then say get screenshot as. And also if you want to take the screenshot of the entire full page, that is only possible in Firefox browser, and that too with the help of get full page screenshot as command. Okay, it's possible in Firefox browser with the help of get full page screenshot as command, but not in other browsers. You cannot take the full page screenshot in Chrome browser, Edge browser, Safari browser. It's not there. Only in Firefox browser we have this facility. But if you want to take the full page screenshot in other browsers, we have to use A-Shot API. Okay, we're going to cover at the end of the topic is A-Shot API that I'm going to cover, where we are going to cover that how to take the screenshots in other browsers too. But before going there, let's go with the robot class. Okay, robot class will also help us in taking the screenshots. The following are the benefits of using robot class. We can take the screenshots, which includes URL of the application. Okay, so normally how the screenshots are being taken, let's see, guys. Okay, let's go back to our Eclipse ID and taking screenshots. Where is that screenshots? Taking screenshots. Okay, package. In that, let's try to take the screenshot using get screenshot as method or whatever it is. Okay, let's write some sample code to take the screenshot of a page. Normal screenshot method. Normal Selenium screenshots demo. I'll write this like this. And here, public static void main. I'll write the code firstly. Let the class and main method get created. After that, I'll simply write down the code like this. That is, I'll write Chrome driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Chrome driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Okay, like this I'll write. Then Control Shift O. Then driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Then driver dot get. I'll give any application page URL that I want to take the screenshot of. Let's give some different application this time. Let's say Internet Heroku. Let's give Internet Heroku app. I'll take this URL. You see, if I scroll down, the entire page is like this. Full page is like this. That's okay. But only the visible area of the page. The visible area of the page will be taken the screenshot of by default by the Selenium. So now I'll write down here the code for taking the screenshot. First, I have to put this driver, and before this, I have to write the typecasting statement, that is take screenshot. Okay, and here surround this again with circular brackets. Surround this again with circular brackets, and write down dot get screenshot as method. And okay, the here I'll say src file, source file, over the mouse, create local variable, again takes okay, this file you write here. Now hover the mouse on this take screenshot, import this from Selenium library. Here hover the mouse on this. Here you will say, you'll get something like output type. Write down that output type dot file. You don't have to remember anything, guys. Okay, simply write like this, it will be okay. Import this file from java.io package, input IO package. That's it. Now you can use file handler dot copy this from Selenium library only. Source file you give, and the destination file you have to mention here new file of, give the location where you want to take copy the screenshot to from the source screenshot file where you want to copy in your machine. So here, guys, we have this screenshots folder. Okay, under that with some different name, under the project, under the screenshots folder, okay, backward slash, and give some name here, plus you can modify this name later if you want. Okay, what are the screenshots that are taken care of, like internet Heroku, right? I Heroku dot png I am giving. For the mouse on this, ignore the exception. In real time we have to surround with try catch block. There is a possibility of IO exception, so in real time you do that, but for now there is no enough. Driver.quit you say. Once the browser is closed, the screenshot is already taken. It means now save this. This is the quickest way of taking a screenshot. So it will take the screenshot of the visible area of the page, as we already know. In the internet Heroku app, it will open and it will take the screenshot and quit the browser. Okay, and the screenshot will be there here in a while with the name iheroku.png. Currently it is not there, but after this,
Arun,
there. Yes.
can we write the code using a try-catch block?
Not required now. You can use that. Okay, you can do that,
Okay.
but not required. Okay, it's very simple. In
Okay.
Eclipse ID, you just hover the mouse, it will be done. For
Mhm.
example, here if you don't want to, it will be complex. That's why I'm not explaining.
Okay.
That's how simple it is. You don't have to do anything.
At the end of the session, we can do this
No,
because
no, no. Just right now I did that. You see. Over the
okay.
mouse, select try catch block. That's it. Nothing more than that. Okay. Nothing
Okay.
will happen. Same result you will get. But the code will
Mhm.
look complex for you. Okay. There is no
Mhm.
exception is going to come here because all the things
Mhm.
path, whatever the path I gave is right. Everything is fine. So there is less
Mhm.
possibility. If you get also in the runtime exception, you will get and you will correct it anyhow, right? So if you
Okay.
want to surround that with try catch block, just in Eclipse ID, just hover the mouse on that and you will get. You see the same thing you got. There is nothing there. Okay.
Mhm.
Just go
Okay.
back here. That's the reason I'm not explaining. Over the mouse,
Mhm.
you'll get two options. Either ignore the exception or surround with try. Select any of this option. If I ignore it, the code will look simple. That's the reason I'm not writing. If you want it try catch block, over the mouse and select try catch block. It will come. Okay. So right click and refresh. Is a screenshot taken here? Refresh on the project better. Right click, refresh. I don't get any screenshot here. Any mistake I have done? Sorry, here, right? Screenshots folder is here. Sorry, I'm looking at somewhere else. Yeah, here. Internet Heroku.png. Open that and see, you can see this is a normal screenshot that is being taken. Normal screenshot that is being taken. Whether you write the try catch block or whether you ignore the exception, if you don't get any runtime error, means that is already working fine. Okay, that is already working fine. So using try catch block, also you can do that. Without try catch block, also you can do that. I demonstrated both the cases. Anyhow, so now the thing is, this is a normal screenshot that we have taken, okay, using the predefined methods and classes that are there, okay, in Selenium library. What we have to do to take the screenshot using robot class, we have to see the following of the benefits of using robot class. We can take the screenshots which includes URL of the application. Now let's observe this screenshot, guys. Let's observe this screenshot. Okay, so let's go to the location of the screenshot better in our machine. Right click here, select properties. It will be confusing here. So it's better to go to the location, right click on the screenshot, select properties, and go to the location where the screenshot is taken in your machine. This is a screenshot that is taken. I'll open the screenshot file. Just observe, guys. Did the URL of the web page got captured? In the screenshot, can you see the URL of the web page being captured? Tell me. Anyone tell me? Did the URL of the web page got captured? Only the visible area of the web page, the body section of the visible area of the web page got captured. Only the visible body page got captured. Okay, but without URL. You see, address, the URL of the page is not coming. Only the visible area is coming in the header section. Whatever the URL, that is not coming. What if your requirement is to take the screenshot with the help of that URL? Then in that case, we can go with the robot class. Understood, guys? Why we have to go to robot class is clear. The benefits of the robot class is that we can take the screenshots which includes the URL of the application. We can take screenshots of the displayed alerts. For example, if you want to take the screenshot of an alert, is it possible in normal screenshot? Normal way of taking the screenshot, can we take the screenshot of an alert? We have to find it out, right? Would like to take the screenshot here. So here, same internet Heroku will go, no problem. And after that, there is some option here that is JavaScript alerts. Inspect this JavaScript alert. Inspect this JavaScript alert. And here, copy this. And here, link text is there. Write the code here. Driver dot, find element by dot, link text. Provide the link text locator. And put a semicolon here. Okay. And here, write down what is that link? The JS alerts link. JS alerts link option. Okay, hover the mouse on this. Create local variable. JS alerts dot click. Okay, JS alerts dot click. Now, what will happen? We'll go to this page. Where is JS alerts, JavaScript alerts. After going to the page, we have a button. We'll click on one of the button, and we'll once you click on the button, right? Once you click on the button, alert will come. I would like to take the screenshot of this alert. Let's see. Okay, that's what is my requirement. I want to take the screenshot of that alert. I'll inspect that, and here click on JS alert. Text is there, button tag is there. Control F. I'll create an XPath expression for the double slash. Control F. Double slash button. Text is equal to, in between text is equal to, click for JS alert. You see one element got located. That is nothing but this JavaScript alert button. Copy this, come back here, write down the code. Driver dot find element by dot XPath, provide the XPath expression of that particular button, alert button. I'll simply write down the code as alert button. Okay, over the mouse, create local variable. And here I'll simply say alert button dot click. I'll also wait for the alert to be displayed on the page. How to wait for the alert to be displayed on the page, guys? WebDriver, wait is equal to new WebDriver, wait, then driver comma duration dot half seconds. Just give X. That is very generous to give 10 seconds here. And Control Shift O, WebDriver wait will be imported. Wait dot until expected conditions dot visibility of element, not visibility. What is the command, guys? Tell me what is the command? Alert is present is the command, right? Until the alert is coming, we'll wait. After the alert has come, we would like to take the screenshot. How to take the screenshot using normal Selenium driver? Before the driver, what we have to write? Typecast it using TakesScreenshot. Okay, and here write circular brackets again, and put dot here. Then get screenshot. As it is coming now automatically, earlier it will not come because we have not imported. Output type dot file. Okay. Then here the return type will be src file. Src file 2, I'll say. Earlier already src file is there. One of the screenshot we have already taken in the 24th line. Again, we are taking the screenshot. So src file 2. And now I'll say file handler, same repeating the code for taking the screenshot copy. src file 2 you select here, and here write down new file of under the screenshots folder. Under the screenshots folder, I would like to alert screenshot dot png file I would like to create. Okay. Put a semicolon here like this also you can write, or you can separate it using double quotes and give that extension. That's also fine. So this is another way. Now let's see whether the screenshot is taken or not for the alert. Okay. The screenshot alert will come, but we'll try to take a screenshot and see what is happening. Let's run the script. First problem is that using the normal way of taking the screenshot using Selenium, the URL of the page is not getting captured in the screenshot. That's one thing. And second thing is that when an alert gets displayed on the web page, can you see the screenshot of the alert being taken by Selenium? Let's see that. Alert has to come. It has gone because of taking the screenshot guard, right? We'll get unhandled alert exception. Okay. Unhandled I am JavaScript alert has already come, guys. But the problem is that, if you try to perform any other operations, including taking a screenshot, right, you'll get unhandled alert exception. Here you see thread.sleep, I'll write. Just for demonstration purpose, I'll write thread.sleep of 3 seconds after this. And you will see the alert has already come. But the problem is, if you try to, without accepting the alert, without handling the alert, if you try to perform any other operations like quitting the browser or taking a screenshot or performing any other operations, you are going to get this unhandled alert exception for sure. Here also you'll get the unhandled alert exception because alert will come, but you're trying to perform some other operation, including taking screenshot. It's not possible, guys. Okay. We cannot take the screenshots of the alerts because of this reason. Okay. You'll get unhandled alert exception, guys. Alert has come after 3 seconds. It will try to take the screenshot. At that time, you see you successfully clicked on the alert is coming, but here unhandled alert exception is coming because the screenshot is not taken. But basically, if you refresh this project and see whether the screenshot is taken or not, let's say refresh the project once. Okay, what is the shortcut for refreshing the project? F5 key if you press, that is the refreshing the project. Anyhow, did you get any screenshot, alert screenshot.png created here after refreshing? Guys, tell me whether the alert screenshot image has been created. Can you see that here in this list after refreshing? No. That means no matter what you do, can you take the screenshot of the alert? No matter what you do, can you take the screenshot of the alert? No, it's not possible to take the screenshot of the alert. But if you try to take the screenshot of the alert, you will get unhandled alert exception, but screenshot will not be taken. These are the problems we have in where? In the normal Selenium library for taking the screenshots. If you use normal method of taking the screenshots using Selenium library, okay, then you will not be able to take the screenshots, which includes the URL of the application. You cannot take the screenshot of the displayed alerts. These are the two cases. There may be other cases also, but after my R&D, I identified these are the two cases that Selenium way of taking the screenshots will not solve. To overcome that problem, what is the solution here, guys? What is the solution? Everyone type in the chat box. What is the solution for this? What is the solution for this problem? Yes, we have to use robot class. Robot class, if we use, we can take the screenshots, which includes the URL. We can also take the screenshots of the alerts that got displayed on the page. That is possible with the help of robot class. How to do that? Already the code is there here. We'll simply follow this code. We don't have to remember this code. Just Google it out. You'll get it. Okay. So Google it out. How to take the screenshot using robot class. Just Google it out. You'll get it. Robot class belong to which library? Tell me, guys. Robot class belong to which library? It belongs to Selenium library or any other library? Anyone remember? Robot class belong to which library? Anyone can guess? Robot class belong to which library? Anyone in the session can guess robot class belong to which library? Yes, Kumari, you are right. It belongs to the Java library, java.awt. Yes, Mayuri, you are very specific. That's right. Ashish, you are right. Ashish Bahupuri, you are right. Other people, okay, we are not typed here. Robot class belong to the Java library, not Selenium. By default in Java only we have this robot class. already we have this Java and Selenium combo here. These classes are from Java. This main method is from Java. The way we are writing the code is Java, but the actual code we are writing is Selenium. That's okay. But this is Java plus Selenium. So I don't have to install any third-party library for taking the screenshots of the URL of the page. Along with that page, I want to take the URL of the page. Along with the page, I want to take the alerts screenshot. For that, I can simply go with the Java library. In the Java library, we have a predefined class known as what class? Robot class. We have a predefined class known as robot class. Using the robot class, we are going to take the screenshot. So for that, I'll create a new class, right? It, new class. Let's try to solve both the problems. URL should be taken and alert also should be taken in the screenshot. Okay. Robot class, screenshots, demo, public static void main. Whenever you have a requirement where you have to take a screenshot of an alert or whether you have to take the screenshot along with the URL of the page, you generally go with the robot class. Simple. Okay. So Chrome driver. Anyhow, we need Selenium here. Without Selenium, we cannot do that because we need to open the application page URL and all those stuff. These are very common things. Chrome driver is equal new Chrome driver, Control Shift O, then driver dot manage dot window dot maximize, then driver dot get and provide the application URL of the same Internet Heroku. I'll give the application URL of the Internet Heroku. I'll take this directly. I'll go to this page, guys. Try to make this script very bigger. Here I'll take, okay. This is the URL actually. Along with this URL, the screenshot should be taken. That is one requirement. And after that, I'll click on this button. To get that screenshot, I'll click on this button. So here, if you see, click for JavaScript alert, Control F / button. Text is equal to, I'll write the text. And here you see one element that is nothing but this button got located. Copy this and write down here, driver dot find element by dot xpath, provide the xpath expression of that button by dot xpath, provide the xpath expression of that button and say JS alert button. Just minimize this and write down here JS alert button, JavaScript alert button, JS alert button is equal to, over the mouse on this and say create local variable and simply write down JS alert dot click. You write down. Once you write down the click, the alert will be clicked. We have to wait for the alert to be displayed on the page. After that only I want to take the screenshot. So WebDriver wait is equal to new WebDriver. This is an asynchronous activity. Wherever the asynchronous activity is there before performing any operation, you have to explicitly wait for that. Control Shift O. In these alerts, you have to explicitly wait. Implicitly wait may not work. Then here driver comma duration dot half seconds. Then give 10 seconds in generous way. That's okay. Wait dot until expected conditions dot visibility of, sorry, not visibility of, there is a command known as alert is present dot alert is present. Okay, the first command, it will wait for the alert to be present on the page. Now you want to take the screenshot. Selenium way, I'm not going to do that. Then how do I want to take the screenshot using the robot class? How to take the screenshot using robot class? Here is the thing. You have to create an object for the robot class in Java library. Okay, first let's create whatever the instructions it will give. We'll do that. Robot is equal to new robot. Like this, you create an object for the robot class and hover the mouse and import this robot class from java.awp. You see, it belongs to the Java library as I mentioned. The constructor cannot be empty. I think a constructor can be empty, but here either we have to ignore the exception or we have to surround with. There is a possibility of AWT exception. There's a possibility of checked exception, that is AWT exception. Okay. So what is this AWT exception? If you want to know more about that, you can go to the ChatGPT and such. A lot of exceptions will be there in Java, guys. AWT exception. Okay, what is AWT? Is an exception thrown by the abstract window toolkit. AWT stands for what? Abstract window toolkit in Java. AWT is a set of application programming interfaces, APIs. It's APIs used to develop graphical user interfaces for Java programs. An AWT exception is typically thrown when an error occurs while using AWT components or when there is an issue while with the underlying Windows system. Common causes including problems with native Windows resources such as insufficient system resources or conflicts with the operating system. Here is a brief example of how you might encounter an AWT exception in Java. Robot This is a simple thing, right? Okay, that's okay. This may throw an exception, but there is a possibility. That's it. Okay. For example, such as if system does not support low-level input control, in that case, it will give you an exception, but mostly it will work, guys. So you can either surround with try-catch block, as I mentioned, right? Like this, you can surround with try-catch block. It just a click of the button is required. Okay. Otherwise, if you don't want to make this code look complex over the mouse, ignore the exception like this. Okay. That's it. Then what is the next statement we have to write? After that, what is the next statement? We need to get the size of the get screen size. We have to get the size of the screen. Okay. How to get the size of the screen? We have to use something known as toolkit dot get default toolkit dot get screen size. It will get the screen size for which I want to take the screenshot for. So let's write that. So some code we have to write here, guys. Toolkit dot get default toolkit. All this is from java.awt package only. Dot. What is the other one, guys? Get screen size or something is there, na? We'll find out that one. You don't have to remember all this stuff. These are alternative ways. Get screen size. Get screen size. It looks like this is the one. Put a semicolon. Let's see whether that is the one. Toolkit dot get default toolkit dot get screen size. Yes. The return type of the get screen size is dimension. So dimension, you write dimension is equal to over the mouse on this, create local variable. Done. After that, what is the next step I have to write? I have to create an object for the rectangle class. Rectangle, rectangle, rect is equal to new rectangle, rectangle. Write this and hover the mouse on this rectangle and import it from java.awt package again. Again, this also should be imported from all are from java.awt package. And here in the rectangle constructor, you pass this dimension, guys. Okay, you pass this dimension. That's enough. Then what is the next line we have to write? Buffered image. Okay, here robot dot using the object reference of the robot create screen capture of rect. Okay, that dimension you want to take the
Arun,
screenshot. Yes.
from where you import the dimension plus
Same Java
Selenium or AWT?
AWT only.
Okay.
Dimension is also from AWT. Everything is from AWT, from robot class onwards. From here onwards, everything is AWT only I imported. Now we have to take the screenshot using the robot AWT only again. Everything is robot AWT. Okay. AWT package only. Robot dot. What is the screenshot thing? Robot dot create screen capture. And here, what is the area? This is a dimension. That is a dimension that has in the rectangle format. You can add. Okay. So if I don't write like this, I'll get an error. Here it's expecting what rectangle. That's why we converted this dimension into rectangle thing. And now we are passing because you cannot directly pass dimension into the create screen capture because the argument you can have to pass in the form of rectangle format. We are converting the dimension into the rectangle format and passing that simple thing. And create screen capture is return type is what buffered image. buffred image is equal to for the mouse and create local variable. You don't have to do extra R&D here, guys. Just you don't even have to remember the code. Okay, we'll write it again if you want. That's okay. Where you want to take the screenshot, you have to write that new file path where you want to take the screenshot. Where you want to take the screenshot under the project. Under the project, at this location, you want to take the screenshot. At this location, we want to take the. We have to write double forward slash here somehow. Don't know why, but let's see. Or backward slash also we'll try. If it's not working, we'll give double backward forwards. Maybe have mistakenly written or I don't remember that. So here to copy the screenshot, you see already the screenshot is taken here using robot library. Create screenshot has already taken this buffered image as a screenshot. Now, why we have to, now if I have to copy this buffered image into the desired location, then we have to use this write method of image IO. Okay. So here we have something known as image IO. Image IO dot. What was the method, guys? Write method, right? Write method. It is also, it's from Java X. It's coming as Java X library. Image IO is from Java X library. So here you see rendered image, string format, file output. Three things are there. Let's give something here. buffered image you copy here, which is in buffered image format. And here write down what is extension. In PNG extension, you want to get that you have to give in lowercase, let's say PNG. And here you have to give the location where you want to take the screenshot. So what I will do here is new file of, put a semicolon here, and in that double quotes for now you give. The errors are gone or not, let's see, but file you have to import it from. Okay, it's not about importing, but we have to give the, okay, JavaX, change to, okay, what is this? It's saying new file of screenshot path I have to give. Image IO dot write of buffered image PNG new file of, it should work now. Let's see what is going wrong there. Buffered image, new file of screenshot path I want to give. File cannot be resolved to a type. It's asking me to image. Okay. What is the problem here? This correct only, right? Buffered image and okay. New file. Yes, new file of, let's see what will happen. After that, we'll see. Destination screenshot path you give here. And you remember this, right? I covered in Java library already. System dot get property of, if I say user.dar, it will get the project path dynamically. And to that, I have to append the path where I want to take the screenshots, screenshots, I think so. The name of the folder is under the project, under the screenshots folder, double backward slash with the name alert image.png. Let's give that image name. You see, it's not accepting this. Yeah, it's accepting. Now I'll give the destination screenshot file path and see whether this will work. No, it's not working. Fix project setup. I did something, but nothing is working there. Import this. Okay, it's working, it seems so. There's some temporary glitch. We have to import this file from java.io package, guys. That is not working. Control Shift O. Something is not working. You can manually type this java.io file. That will be work. Okay, ignore the exception. In real time, you can surround with try catch block. That's up to you. Okay. So if you feel that there's a possibility of exception like IO exception, you can write that here. That's okay. Image IO is from Java X package, guys, whereas robot is from java.awt package. All these are from Java library only. Whatever the screenshot we are taking are from the Java library only. Let's run this code and see whether this is first of all working or not. So we have written some code, guys. It's not possible for anyone to remember this kind of code, like this much of code we have tried. No one can remember, but we can write it because we have done it now. We can write it again. But before that, let's run the script and see what is happening here. Right click run as Java application. Whether the screenshot is being taken or not. I think I should not be writing driver.quit. That will give you the exception actually. That will give you the exception. If you say driver.quit, but has not given anything. The browser even got, okay, driver.close will give that, quit has not given. That's okay anyhow. Let's see whether the screenshot has been taken or not. Right click, refresh. And here you see, is there alert image.png? Yes, the alert image. Did you get the URL of the page? In the screenshot, did you get the URL of the page? Yes, right. Along with that, you got the alert of the page. Yes, you got the alert of the page. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? What we have achieved using this robot class is clear for everyone. Just type C in the chat box. If it is clear, type C in the chat box. What we have achieved, we are able to capture the URL of the page. We are able to capture the alert also without getting any problems. That's what is the reason we have went for the robot class. With normal Selenium library of taking the screenshot, we cannot capture this kind of screenshots. So again, one more thing we'll try to experiment here. I would like to take the screenshots multiple times. What I have to do, guys, to take the screenshots multiple times, public static void take screenshot using robot take screenshot using robot. And whenever I call this method, it will take the screenshot, guys. Okay, it will take the screenshot. Whenever I call this method, it will take the screenshot. Here I'll say int one. int some a I'll say or some I I'll say. Intentionally, I'm giving this int I. I'll tell you what's the reason behind that. Copy this. Okay. Ignore this exception. Here also ignore the exception instead of try-catch block because the code will look very complex. If I use that, we can write that. In real time, we have to use with try-catch blocks only. But here, just to make the code look simple, I am doing that. Here, I'll remove this. Wherever I want to take the screenshot, I want to call this method, guys. I want to call this method. Take screenshot using robot class. I'll call the method here. So I'll do one thing. I'll go to the home page. First of all, I'll go to the home page and I would like to take the screenshot. Here, I'll give pass one here. Why I'm passing the value one here, I'll tell you. Once I get this one here, right? Here, I'll write some code like this. Here I'll say image colon plus I plus, I would like to make this thing dynamic here. So image1.png will be created. Okay. When I pass one image1.png, here the screenshot will have the name as image1.png. And the next one is where I want to take the screenshot next. After that, I would like to go to that page. How to go to that page from Internet Heroku. In the home page, I want to take the screenshot. I would like to see how the screenshot will be taken on the home page. First of all, I'll go to the home page and sorry, where is that image? I need to copy this URL properly. Copy, and come back here and paste it here. Okay, it's playing actually. So let's go to this page. The screenshot of this page I want to take. After that, I want to take the screenshot of JavaScript alert. I would like to click on, after taking the screenshot of this page, I want to click on JavaScript alerts. Okay, link. For that, what I have to do, I'll inspect this. And here, link text I'll use and try to click on the link. Driver.find element, by dot link text, give the link text locator. Put a semicolon here. JS alert, link for the mouse, create local variable, and simply write down JS alert link dot click. It will take you to that alerts page. And in that, we have a button. We are clicking on the button. After we are waiting for the alert to be there. And here we have to take the screenshot again. So I'll simply write down, take screenshot of 2. You can implement a different way. You can implement with timestamp also, guys. You can with the help of timestamp also, you can create the image. For now, I don't want to make the program complicated. So I'm implementing this 1-2 mechanism. Image1.png, image2.png should be taken. After the alert, image2.png. Before the alert, on the home page, image1.png should be taken. And let's run the script and see what is happening. Right click run as 2 screenshots should be taken in this case. Image1.png, image2.png. We have implemented the, reusable method so that we can use it multiple times to take the screenshot. It will simply take the screenshot. We separated the code for taking the screenshot. Screenshot is taken here also, screenshot is taken. And now go here to the project and simply refresh the project, right click and simply say refresh the project. You should get image1, image2. Open the image1. You see, it's not take, even it took my, the meeting details. Guys, wherever I am recording the session using Zoom meeting, right? That interface also, it has taken the screenshot, not only URL, it has taken my Zoom also. Whatever that is there on the screen, it's taking, guys. Okay. It doesn't matter what it is there. It doesn't matter what it is there. It will not only take the URL, it is also taking the, whatever that is there on the screen, it is taking. That's how it works. And it's not taking the full page. You see, you're not getting the full page screenshot. Only the visible area of the page is coming. I wanted to prove that it will only take the visible area on the page as a screenshot, not the full page. And let's go to the other image. Let's go to the other image, guys. That is image2.png, where the, again, you see this Zoom link is there and URL got come, and also you see this Internet Heroku app says alert also is taken. Now clear, guys, how to take the screenshots. If you don't want this Zoom thing to be taken, you can, generally in real time, you'll not have Zoom thing, right? But anyhow, in this, I'm using this session, so the Zoom is also coming. Okay, so fine, that's okay. In real time, you don't have to face that problem. But understood the benefits of this robot class? Guys, everyone understood the benefits of taking the screenshots using robot class is clear for you? Just type C in the chat box if it is clear. What are the benefits? If it is clear, write down the type C in the chat box if it is clear. So I'll do one thing just to make sure that I'll do one thing. I would like to write the code again. Okay, I would like to write the code again. So help me out, guys. First, I need to create what? In order to take the screenshots using the robot class, what I have to do first here? You tell me, I'll do it so that you can remember. You tell me, I will do it, guys. In order to take the screenshots of the page using robot class, how to start the code here? Whatever the code that I have to write, tell me, guys. Yes, first, maybe as you are right, say it right. I have to create an object for the robot class. Robot is equal to new robot. And 1 minute before this, I'll say Control-Shift-4 so that all the imports will be going off. Robot is equal to new robot. Control-Shift-O, I'll say. It has imported from AWT package. Either you can ignore the exception or handle the exception. Okay, you can if you want to handle the exception, you have to write like this. Okay, that's it looks very complex, right? So if you still want to write and take the help of the try catch block, you have to make it global here. This is how you have to write the code. Okay, as someone has asked me, I'm doing this. Like this, I'll have to write because I cannot access robot outside. I have to write like this. So after that, in the robot class, do I have to give anything? No. Next, what is next, guys? Tell me. What is the next line I have to write? Robot dot create screen capture. For that, what is required? What is required, guys? Rectangle is required. Rectangle is required. Okay. So I'll write here rectangle that is equal to new rectangle. Put a semicolon here and here over the mouse and import it from java.awt package over the mouse and import it from java.awt package. And here we have to give dimensions, guys. Otherwise, we'll not get what area of the scale we have to take the screenshot of. How to get the dimensions here? Anyone remember the line for getting the dimensions? Anyone remember how to get the dimensions? Anyone remember the thing that I have to use from robot class for getting the dimensions? Yes, toolkit. Just remember toolkit, guys. That is enough. You don't have to remember everything. Just remember toolkit. Toolkit. Everyone type toolkit in the chat box. Toolkit. Toolkit dot get default toolkit dot get dimension or something will be there. Just find it out by yourself. You can easily find it out. Get screen size. Get screen size is a command. Okay. This will give the return type of the get screen size is dimension. So now right here, dimension, or dim is equal to, you can write anything, it's up to you. Dimension dim is equal to over the mouse, import it from java.awt package, and this copy this into the rectangle here. And here robot is giving me some error. Initialize a variable, it's saying initialize with null. Okay, that's okay. Initially it will have null. And then in the try catch block, we have robot is called new robot. And are we ignoring any exception? Not so far. We are taking the screenshot. What is that? How to? We have captured the screenshot, guys, by writing this code. Now I want to copy that screenshot into a particular location. How to copy that particular screenshot into the screenshots folder here? For that string destination path, I'll write test path is equal to, here better to write system dot get property, guys, to get the project. You don't give the shortcut paths here. Some cases it will not work. Shortcut paths will not work. So better to write here. This ultimate way to write the, under the screenshots folder, uh, here double backward slash plus, here say image x, image x, image x. I'll append this with I. You know the reason why I'm appending with I, because I'll take multiple screenshots here. I.png, you say that's enough. This is a destination path of the image. And after that, now I need to copy the screenshot. IO, what was that name of the thing, guys? IO something was there. IO image, right? IO image, is that the one? Is that IO image? Input output image, is that IO image dot? I don't remember that. What was that, guys? Image IO. Image IO dot. Yes, that is image IO dot write method will be there. Write method dot image IO dot write. So here, let's go to the write method and take one of the format here. And here, provide here the screenshot that has been taken. Create screen capture has written you the buffered image. Here, buffered B image I'll say. Instead of buffered image, I'll write B image, buffered image over the mouse, create local variable. This B image, you copy it here, first of all, buffered image you copy. And second thing is that you have to provide the extension in which you have to take the screenshot PNG type of extension. And here you write down, new file of this destination path you write down. Put a semicolon here. Over the mouse on this. You see this kind of stuff. If you get, do one thing, import java dot io dot file you write down directly. That's it. The error will be gone. Over the mouse. Here two options are coming. Either you have to ignore the exception or try which try catch block you have tried. Yeah, you can take try catch block, not a problem like this. You don't need anything outside here. So it will take the screenshot anyhow and copy that into the destination path. And after that, that's it, guys. Nothing but this is what we have tried. So there is one thing that we have missed, this rectangle dimension thing, screen size, we have to pass it here. Then the script is done. So everyone clear with the script now, how to write the script along with try catch block. If you are writing with try catch block, what you have to do is clear for you. The code will look something like this if you have to write like this. Okay. The code will look something like this. Is that fine? Krupal, you asked me to write it at the end.
Yes, Arun. Yeah, fine.
It's fine now, right? How to take the here. If you have to use this outside because
Mhm.
it become local, right? You have to make it global here. Okay, that's the only thing.
Mhm. Yeah, correct, Arun. Yeah.
Yeah, run the script. Run the script. The take screenshot method will be called, and wherever the screenshots need to be taken, that it will be taken with image x1.png, image x2.png. After the script runs, it will take the screenshot here. It will take a screenshot here. Image1.png, image x1.png, image x2.png. Refresh this here, and come back here and see under the screenshots folder. We should have image x1.png. It has taken the screenshot of this page on the visible area. If you want to take the full area, there may be another way, guys. Okay, but we'll not go there. It's not required for us. We generally don't use robot class that extent. Alert also is taken. So hope, guys, everyone is clear now how to take the screenshot using the robot class now. No, I don't think that will be possible. But you have to give a particular area, maybe. Maybe there may be ways. There may be ways, but you see, we don't want to solve something that is already there in Selenium. Using robot class, when we go for some third-party things like robot class or JavaScript executor, when something is not working in Selenium, we have to go, right? But there may be a lot of other ways that is up to our, R&D, up to our R&D. Here, since already our Selenium library is able to take the screenshot, okay, take the screenshot of the web element section. Why we have to go and explore in robot class unnecessarily? Robot class can do a lot of stuff, but we should not depend on that, okay? If our whatever the predefined stuff in Selenium is not able to do, then only you go to the external libraries, okay? We have to solve the problems that our internal Selenium library is not able to solve. We should not learn the things just for the sake, okay? There is some need here, we are learning it. The need is that using the normal screenshot, using Selenium, we cannot take the screenshot of the URL of the application. You cannot take the screenshot of the displayed alerts. That's the reason we are using this robot class to take the screenshots. Okay, that's the only thing, guys. That's the only thing why we are going for the robot class. Okay, that's the only thing why we are going for the robot class to take the screenshots along with the URLs of the page. You can see the not only URL, guys. You also are able to see the title of the page. If you clearly see here, you are able to see the title of the page. If I open any of the image that is taken, you see, it's coming in between, but internet heroku.png, if you go here, this is not the right one. This normal screenshot I have taken at the time, I think so. Here it's coming in between, guys. Okay. So I would like to take the screenshot this time. I'll again take the screenshot. I'll just down it so that in the down section it will be there for me. And I'll run the code again, taking screenshots and robot class screenshots. I'll just run the code here, right click, run as Java application. The same names, image x1, image x2 will be taken. Let's see here. It's not just taking the URL screenshot, it's taking the screenshot of the entire page here. Yeah. Now go here and refresh here. Refresh the project once. Better. Refresh the project once and go here and open the image x1.png. You see here, title of the page also is coming. Not just the URL. The header section of the page is coming. Not in normal screenshot, only body section of the page will come. In robot class related screenshot, you will get the header section of the page also. You see, Chrome is being controlled by automation. Automated software test software is also coming. Everything is coming as it is. The bottom, I moved this to the bottom so that you can see, guys. Okay. So whatever that appears on the page will be on the screen. The screenshot will be taken no matter what, without interacting with the elements on the page, like alerts and all. It's taking the screenshot. That's why we went to the robot class, okay, library. Now the next thing is using A-shot API. The next thing is by using A-shot API, how can we take the screenshots of full page in any browser using A-shot API? What is the problem in the default Selenium library? Only we can take the full page screenshot only in Firefox browser. Otherwise, we have to go to which API? A-shot API for other browsers. Let's try to take the full page screenshot in Chrome browser. Right click new. Chrome, full page screenshot, screenshot demo. Okay. Chrome full page screenshot demo. With main method I'll create. Here I'll write down Chrome driver. Driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Control Shift O, then driver dot manage dot window dot maximize, then driver dot get provide the application page URL. I want to take the full page URL, full page. Okay, let's say tutorialsninja.com/demo application. I would like to take, or we can take the omaya.blogspot.com. That is also fine. omaya.blogspot.com full page URL. I want to take the screenshot for like this full page. I want to take the screenshot only, not only the visible area. I would like to take the screenshot for full page. Now, if I write something like this, driver dot get is there any command here for taking the screenshot? When I say driver dot, lot of commands will come. Get full page screenshot commands are there here, no, right? But if it is Firefox driver, you'll get it. Firefox driver. Here, Firefox driver. For Firefox browser, they have provided, Selenium guys have provided for the Firefox driver. But if I say driver dot, you see, this time you'll get full page screenshot as command. Okay. This command is not there in the Chrome driver. If I take it back to the Chrome driver, you'll get an error here. Chrome driver, I'll say. Chrome driver. You see, if I go to the Chrome driver, you see you are getting error. This particular method is undefined for the Chrome driver. Then how can you take the screenshot? Change to get screenshot as. It will only take the visible area. If I say dot get screenshot as, it will only take the screenshot for the visible area. Okay, let's try to take the screenshot here. File. Anyhow, this is another way of taking the screenshot. Let's assume that and try to take the file. What is the screen get screenshot as method should contain? Should contain output type dot file. Let's see whether this kind of thing is output type dot file. This is another way anyhow. And here src file is equal to over the mouse create. Then let's see whether this is working or not. File handler dot copy src file, new file where you want to take the screenshot, new file of the location I'll give. That is in double quotes, I'll give double backwards, not double backward slash, screenshots folder, under the screenshots folder, new image.png. I'll give new image.png. Over the mouse, you can surround with try-catch block or ignore the exception. For now, I am ignoring the exception. Driver.fit, I will say. Okay, let's run this code and see whether screenshot of the omega.blogspot.com is being taken this way or not. This is another way of taking the screenshot, maybe. Let's try this out. Okay, anyhow, it came in between. We'll try this out. Driver.get screenshot as. After taking the screenshot, it should close if it is working fine. Page is loading, guys. Yeah, looks like it has taken the screenshot. Right click here and refresh the project. Right click here and refresh the project. And here, new screen, new file, where is that new image.png. Has it taken the screenshot? Yes, it has taken the screenshot of new. So this is another way of taking the screenshot, guys, using the driver also. We can call this method driver.get screenshot as method directly. Okay. Earlier we are doing what? Like this we were doing to take the screenshot. Driver take screenshot. Like this we are writing the code, right? Then providing like this. Then writing down dot sorry, circular bracket dot get screenshot as output type dot file like this, and here src file one something. I'll give different name. For the mouse import, here I'll say file. For the mouse import this take screenshot. Is there any mistake here? Change to text screenshot. TAKES. C is missing here. Okay. For the mouse, import it. Then file handler dot copy. Like this, we are writing the code, right? The same thing we can write the code here. This is a way actually. Apart from that, we found some other way here. Guys. That is directly driver.get screenshot as also is working. And comment this out. I'll say another way. Okay. But this is not taking the screenshot. I'll simply say another way. Another way to take screenshot demo. Okay. For the mouse, change the name of the file, class file. Okay. Got it, guys? What's the difference between either you can write like this or you can write which one is simple? Which one is simple, guys? Which one looks simple? This way or this way? Which one looks simple? The old way or the new way? Second one looks simple, right? But let's find out what is the difference between them. Okay. So the difference here is very simple, guys. What if you write WebDriver here? What if you write WebDriver here? Is that possible? Okay, it's Control Shift O. WebDriver will be imported from Selenium library. After that, you are getting the error. Are you getting the error, guys? Is the second way, latest way possible? Is the latest way possible? When I create an object for the Chrome driver class and assign it to the variable of the parent interface, WebDriver interface, is the second way possible? Not possible. The second way is not possible, guys. Okay. The second way is not possible when you do like this. Okay. So in real time, we use this method, not this way. Okay. Even though there is another way, simple way also. but still we cannot use because here if you have to get this done, you have to get this done. You have to typecast the driver to the Chrome driver and then you have to do it on respective browser and then do it. Okay. Otherwise, it will not be possible, guys. So here, if you write this kind of implementation in real-time frameworks, we'll use WebDriver driver is called new Chrome driver. We'll not write Chrome driver driver is called new Chrome driver. If it is only Chrome driver driver is called new Chrome driver, then we can do this. But if you write WebDriver driver is called new Chrome driver, then this is not possible at all. Okay. WebDriver interface doesn't have this get screenshot as method. Why we are unable to use this? This particular method is there in the Chrome driver class, but is this particular method there in the WebDriver interface? Get screenshot as method is available in the WebDriver interface. Tell me, is it there or not? No. So when you create an object for the child class and assign it to the variable of the parent class or interface, then the common methods between the parent class or interface and the child class only will be allowed here in this kind of assigning. But in real time, you write the code like this, okay? But if you write the code like Chrome driver, then no, there is no issue. There's no issue, okay? The below will work. The below get screenshot as method will only work when you create, will not work otherwise, will not work when driver object is assigned to driver object is assigned to WebDriver interface. Okay. This is what you have to remember, guys. You can use this only when directly you create an object for the Chrome driver, new Chrome driver, you can get this method. But when you create an object for the Chrome driver class and assign to the variable of the parent WebDriver interface, in that case, you will not be able to use. This is the only way. So don't take light of this particular thing. This is very important. In real time, we use WebDriver driver is equal new Chrome driver and this lines of code only for taking the screenshot. Okay. So we have to typecast the driver with take screenshot and get why we have to do all this typecasting and all will be covered in the upcoming sessions in WebDriver architecture session. Okay. In the WebDriver architecture session, I'll cover that for you. Okay, guys, clear? Everyone clear with this? Type C in the chat box if you are able to understand what is happening here in the things. What is happening? New A shot API shooting strategy and all those stuff. We have tried like this to take the screenshot. Okay, full page screenshot if you want to take. Okay, we have to write this code. This will explore in the next session, guys. Tomorrow's session will cover this A shot API. We'll go in depth for A shot API. Okay, today the main thing is that I covered robot class and many other things that we have learned from today's session. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask me right now. This is all for today, guys. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask me right now.
Sir, my code is not working.
Okay, what is the code you have written? For what?
The screenshot only. It is showing class not found exception.
Using robot class, you mean? Have you used robot class?
Yes, sir. I'm using robot class only.
Okay, share your screen once and stop sharing. I'll give you the permissions.
Yeah, is it visible, sir?
Yes. 1 minute. Let me see the import statements. AWT toolkit, ABT, image, buffered image, .io exception time. Where you are getting the error? Any?
Class not. No, when I'll run, then it is showing class not found exception.
Run the script. Could not find or load the main class to your practice screenshot. What is the name of the class you have given?
Screenshot of alert.
Write some demo at the end. At the end of the class name, write demo something better. And change the name. Hover the mouse on this and say, just hover the mouse on screenshot of alert demo and change the file name. First one. Yeah, done. Now run the script again. Okay, right click on the code and run once. Right click on the code and run. Yes. Wait a minute. Chrome driver is called new Chrome driver. Driver.manage.window.maximize driver.get. Screen takes screenshot driver gets screenshot as output type dot file handler dot copy file new. This is normal screenshot way. Okay. Driver.find element by JavaScript alert and then click. Nothing is happening first of all. Driver weight is universal duration dot alert is present. Robot is for new robot dimension toolkit get default toolkit get screen size. Everything looks good here.
Yes.
String destination file path, the directory image.io, right, and all. So maybe in the beginning itself, you are getting the exception actually. So there is maybe some small problem that we have to understand here.
Yeah, I restarted the Eclipse also, but still it is giving the same code.
Public
The
static.
other programs are running properly.
Okay, only this one is not working.
Yeah.
Okay, again run it. Let's see. Could not find or load main class screenshot of alert demo. Okay. Java language class not found exception.
Should I create new files, sir? Should I do, sir?
No. Right click on the project once.
Project. Okay.
Not package, project. Go to the
Okay.
project.
Yeah.
On the top level. Right click on the project. Run as option you go. Maven clean you do once. Third option. Wait for a while. Okay. Build success should come.
Yeah.
Now right click on the project. Go to Maven option. Maven option under the bottom. Almost up.
Yeah.
Update project. Say okay. Wait for a while. Now run it. Right click on the code and run. Anyone have any clue here, guys? Don't close it.
Okay.
Arun, what are the two errors that we can see on the top left, like Java practice program, and those are some errors? Like it seems like those are not fixed.
Which one?
In the top one, in the project name Java practice program, in the left side panel, right? We can see
Previous
errors
other
are
project,
those
right?
are not.
Other project.
Yeah, those are. Yeah, but some errors are still there,
Some
right?
errors are still there in the program, right? Even in this
Yeah,
project also some errors are there.
it has
Do
to be
one thing,
fixed.
scroll down once, just collapse all the packages in the second project once. Collapse all the packages in second project
Hello?
one. Second project. Yeah, collapse all the packages, I mean to say.
Okay.
The
From
one,
here.
the QA
No, I
package.
don't know from where.
No. I'm not saying like that. You go to the QFox practice package.
Okay.
Minimize that. Otherwise.
Okay.
Okay, go to the first project.
This one?
Yes. Expand SRC. Expand that package.
Yeah, this is having the error in this code.
Open that. Comment that out. Whatever the error code is there, comment it out. Save the project. Save all. Not that one. That is
Sorry,
the
sorry.
save all button. The error gone in the project. Now minimize the project once. Minimize the project itself. First project minimize directly. The error is not gone in the second project. From where the error is coming?
No, error is in this code, sir. Actually, I'll show. Selenium practice, I think. Right. Color demo.
Also
Actually,
in here, string dot length. She didn't write fully length. It why it give error.
where
If
In which package you mean to say, Vivara?
where she commented out, where she had
She
the
commented
error
out. If
before.
she commented out,
Yeah,
that's
but
okay.
I'm just
But
saying it says length instead length.
no, not a big deal. Now run the code again once. Once run a code, run the code. Is the error still coming? Yeah. Now change the name of the class once.
demo
Change
2.
it. Yeah. No. Just remove everything there and give a different name. Sample, sample, sample demo two something one or yeah, that's fine. Change it and run it again. Right click on the code and run it again. Still getting okay.
Should I
Sample
run
demo.
another code? Wait, we'll check.
One minute. Is there any loose and Java AW some exception is coming? Just go to the top. Just go to the top. Remove all the imports once. Remove all the imports. Yeah, all the imports you just remove once. Yeah, go to the Chrome driver. Over the mouse on the Chrome driver. Control Shift O you type. Control Shift O once. In that select java.awt rectangle. Not that one, not that one. Java
This one?
AWT rectangle, yes.
Hmm.
Select that one. Then
Dimension from AWT.
yes, AWT.
Hmm.
File handler from Selenium.
Yeah.
1 minute. Dimension from AWT. Rectangle from AWT. Duration. Where is the duration thing? Java dot.
Yeah.
Duration is not coming proper. Duration, you remove that duration once. Java dot time dot duration you remove. Only that package you remove. 1 minute. Java X image IO is fine. Just go down. Go down. Scroll down. Yeah, hold the mouse on the duration and import it from. Hold the mouse. Is it coming?
Is it? No. Is it durations? No, na?
No. Duration only.
Duration only.
Control Shift O again. Press Control Shift O. 1 minute. Take it from Java.time only. Yeah, finish. Done. Then run it again once.
That. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Packages are fine. Everything is fine. Can you copy paste that message to me once?
Yeah. Okay.
There's an error coming at the project level. I don't understand why the error is coming. Can you restart your browser one? Restart your Eclipse now after you updated, right? Anyhow, once
Yeah.
restart your Eclipse
Yeah.
IDE
I'll
one.
restart. Yeah, I'll restart.
Uh,
Just paste it. From where should I can paste?
in the chat, you can paste in the chat of Zoom.
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen, sir. Yeah.
Okay. At the project level, some error is coming.
Actually, sir, when there is a error in any of the code, na, then that is showing that cross symbol in front of project. If we remove that, then it will go. But other code will work, sir.
Okay, let's see. 1 minute.
Yeah.
Let's give it some time.
Yeah.
6% done. Now again, right click on the project once. Error is still okay. It's still there. That's why I'm saying right click on the project once. run as Maven clean. Wait for a while.
Yeah.
Now update the project. Right click Maven and update the project. Say okay. Error is not going right.
Actually,
Expand
one
the
of the
project. Expand the project. Go to that packages. You are writing the code in SRC main Java.
yeah.
You should not be writing there. And it looks like okay. Copy all these packages once. Copy all these packages.
This also.
Yes, all these packages. Copy. Select one of the package.
Yeah.
Press Shift key. And last package you select.
Okay.
By holding the Shift key, you select after selecting the first package.
Yeah, yeah.
After then press Shift key that way. Copy that. And yeah, copy them and right click on the SRC test Java. Paste it there. Right click paste. Okay, say okay for now. Let's see what will happen. Expand that SRC test Java. Delete all the everything
No.
is okay. Some things have not been copied, right?
Yeah, keyboard action is not.
Try to copy that keyboard. Paste it manually. Yeah. Control V. Keyboard came.
Yeah.
Then whatever has not come, just copy that. I think everything came.
Yeah, yeah.
So now delete all the packages under SRC main Java.
Okay.
Select all the packages and simply say one. Okay, we don't delete. You selected more.
Yeah.
Delete. Okay. Say about. Okay. Apache boy. What is that package?
Yeah. I'm read and write Excel files. Actually, I'm
Can you
doing.
delete that once?
Okay.
Is it required for you?
No, I'll do it again.
Package. Okay.
Yeah,
Not
actually,
going.
open the file. I'll close it.
Yeah, you are
It will
using it.
delete. Yeah, I'm using that.
Still. Okay, don't worry. I
Okay.
think the files are gone away, right? That's okay. Now the error is coming here, you see. Read and write there. Go to that read and
Yeah,
write.
actually,
Yeah.
I have not written the full code. Yeah, I'll
Okay.
copy this. I'll delete the file. No issues.
No need to delete the file. Comment it out. Comment
No,
whatever the
actually,
errors.
the full code is not written. Okay. Yeah.
Simply say Control A. Simply say Control A. Or like that also. It's fine. No, still errors will come. Don't do that. Otherwise, uncomment that. I'll tell you. Simply say Control A. Control /. Control /. Yeah, done.
All code.
Yeah, save that. Error will go off. Yeah. Now at the project level, is any code any error is there?
Refresh it again.
Why the errors are coming? Refresh once. Is there any place where errors are there? Yeah, in QA properties also some error is there. Go there, drag and drop. Control A. Control /. Yeah, save that. Close.
You just remove line number 12 on KFox practice. Just one line.
Yeah, that's okay. That's fine. Let's not worry about that. Expand that package once. Give practice. And what is that file? Sample something was there, no?
Yeah.
Sample demo 1.java. Run this code now. No. Okay.
Should I run yesterday code, sir? Is it? I'll check whether it is working or not.
Yeah, please run.
Yeah,
Not working. So it's not related to the code. There is some problem
yeah.
in the project where. Okay, give that 2 lines of code in the chat box immediately.
Yeah. I'll stop my sharing screen. Stop sharing. Should I need to update Java again?
Let's see. Let's see. Maybe. Ensure that the class name and package name are spelled correctly and match the directory structure in your main. In your case, it seems there might be a typo in the class name sample instead of sample demo 1. Okay, that's okay. And a potential issue with the package name QFX. Can you change the package name from QFX practice to some other thing?
Yeah.
Instead of Q underscore practice, give some simple name, simple like sample package or something you give.
Yeah.
Check Maven, ensure that their command project is properly configured. Check the command classes. Compile. Okay, run.
No, sir, it's not working.
Not working?
No, I rechanged the name.
Mm.
Yeah. Actually, yesterday the same code was worked, but today
Okay,
it is.
you changed something in the project. That's the reason. What are the other reasons? Corrupted jar file. Relies on check your class path configuration. Class path configuration. So that needed resources are included. Permissions. Ensure that you permission to lifecycle issues ID and project ID specific configuration settings could affect ensure that ID is configured to use Okay, we'll do one thing. Some class percentages. Okay. We'll do one thing. You can share your screen again.
Okay.
Close everything. Close the file. Sample 1 demo and minimize the project. Minimize the project. above one. Yeah.
Okay.
Create a new project. Create a new project. File, new project, Maven project, next. Yeah, select Maven project and select next. Click on next. Click on next. Just wait for a while. Filter for Maven hyphen archetype hyphen not hyphen archetype archetype ARCHE
Yes.
RTCHE TYP hyphen quick start. In that select Apache one, Apache third one. 1, 2, 3, yeah, third one. Yeah, select that. Click on next. Give a project name. New Selenium project. Artifact ID. Artifact ID. New Selenium project. Okay, in the group ID, give something NS or something in group ID, some short form NS. Yeah. Click on finish. Wait for the project to be created. Just wait for some time. Wait. Still wait. Just type Y, capital Y there. Press enter. Yeah, press enter. With success, project will be created in a while. Project got created. Go to that project, expand the project, new Selenium project.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, that one. No problem. Let it be there. SRC test Java. Expand the SRC test Java. Delete that package. Delete that package. Delete the package itself.
Yeah. This one.
This one. You delete. Say okay. Go to pom.xml file. Go to dependency section. Remove that JNE dependency from there in between from 22 to 27. Yeah, remove that. Yes.
Sure, Java version the 1.7.
Okay. Maybe that is a problem. Yeah, wait for a while. We'll do that.
Okay.
In fresh project, we'll do. Wait for a while. Go to MVN repository. Open
Where,
MVN in the browser.
in the browser.
Go to MVN repository.
Okay, Maven repository.
Yeah, that's okay. You'll get the MVN repository. Just search for Selenium Java. Selenium space Java. Search it. First link you click. Yeah, click on that link. Take the latest version 44.2.0, 20.0. Yeah. Copy that Maven. Just click inside. It will be copied automatically. Then go to the pom.xml file back in there. Paste it. Yeah. Now save it. No need to organize. That's okay. Just save it.
Yeah, it's building.
Any other libraries you have used in the previous project? Go to the previous project once.
This one.
That one, right. Expand that and go to pom.xml file. Go and check.
Currently, okay.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Okay, it's waiting.
It's okay to build. Go to the dependencies.
This one, my previous one.
Okay. TestNG you have, right? TestNG is one thing. Apache POI you are using. So copy the dependencies from TestNG onwards, like 24 line onwards to
This one.
yeah, from 24 line.
24 line.
24.
Yeah, okay. From here?
Yes, from there, copy till 43. Copy that and paste into the new pom.xml file.
Okay.
It's already there. Okay. It's okay. Yeah. There you copy paste it. Simply paste it. Control V.
Yeah, Lina sir.
Yeah. Control V. Yeah. There on. Save it. Save all. Yeah. Wait for a while. Now do one thing. Expand the old project once. Expand the old project. Old project.
Old. Okay.
Go to SRC test Java. Go to SRC. Not that one.
Oh, sorry.
SRC test Java.
Java.
Copy all the packages the same way you did last time, right? Copy all the packages.
Yeah, and where should I paste?
Go to the new project. Under SRC test Java of the new project, you paste. Okay, now go to that particular file in what is the package name you gave?
I think sample practice.
Sample practice. Go to that file, sample demo 1. Now run the code. Now you are not getting any error. Wait for a while.
Yeah.
It's working. Okay. Maybe the project got corrupted a bit. That's okay. Okay.
So when this problem occurs, we should create the new project.
Yeah, it's when the this is a different issue anyhow. You can resolve.
Yeah, I'll solve this.
But
okay,
you
so
understood, right? There some Java got corrupted or something happened. Some settings got changed. If you are not, you see, it's not like whenever we get this kind of errors, ultimate solution is to create a new project and try it out. Okay, because if after trying a lot you are not getting solution, then you have to do like this. Okay.
Okay, sir. Understood. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yes, any other questions? It's very important to solve the problems, guys. That's how our confidence will rise. Okay. No matter what type of problem is there, we have to fight until we get the solution for that. Okay. That's very important for everyone. It's not just learning Selenium automation or something. The troubleshooting and problem solving skills are very important for software testers. Okay. The more problems you solve, the more kind of confidence you are going to get in real time. Okay. So make sure that you do that. So that's why, even though it took a lot of time, we were able to stick to that and we solved the problem. Okay. So that's what is very important in our career and to increase the confidence in Selenium automation. So fine. We are going to get a lot of problems. Okay. There's no other doubt in that. We are going to face a lot of problems. Whatever the problems that are coming, we have to hunt the problems. We have to resolve the problems. We have to get the solutions to the problems in all cases. That's where our skill set is. It's not in the tools or it's not in our learning. It's all in the problem solving statements to get the solution or to get the answer for something. Okay. To solve something or to implement something perfectly. Okay. Properly. That is what is important. Fine. Anyhow, so by solving that problem, now we feel a bit confident, right? So that's what is important. So any other questions, guys, for this session? Any other questions? Anyone have? Tomorrow we'll see a short API for taking the full page screenshots. Okay, a short thing we'll see, and after that we'll go to the next topics. If you don't have any questions, just type no in the chat box, guys. Just type no in the chat box if you don't have any questions. Just type no in the chat box. Ashish, don't have any questions. What about others? AB, Mayuri, Jyoti, Kiran, Manjula, Nigora, Sandesh, everyone type in the chat box. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Otherwise, you just type no in the chat box. No questions. Okay, looks like no questions. So that's all for today, guys. We'll meet in the next session. If you want to attend evening session, you can attend. That is also going well. We have 8 p.m. IST today session. I already posted in the WhatsApp group. I already posted that in the WhatsApp group, guys. Okay. 30th April, that is today, 8 p.m. IST. We'll continue with HTML. For Selenium will be continued. Okay. Tomorrow, that is tomorrow will be May, right? May 1st. May 1st. 1st May. 2024. 7 a.m. IST. Batch 1 will be there. Batch 1. Anyone can attend. Batch 1, batch 2, everyone can attend. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about a short API for taking screenshots. Okay, this is what we are going to cover tomorrow. And tomorrow, that is 1st May. I'll update this in the night, okay? Because I don't know whether HTML I'll complete today or not. If it is completed, I'll update or I'll update the same thing. HTML will be continued. Mostly HTML may be continued, okay? Or I'll update with locators topic for tomorrow evening, batch 2. Okay. For now, these are the updates, guys. These are the updates. So that's all for this session. That's all for this session. So as we don't have any other doubts, we'll wrap it up here. See you in the next session. Thank you, everyone. Bye. Bye, everyone. See you. Framework will be started after the Selenium concepts. We are going in depth in Selenium concepts, right? It will take time, Manjula. Okay. It will take some time. Okay. Framework concepts will start once the Selenium concepts are over. Okay. I already explained you, right? We have to complete this screenshots, calendar, and Selenium new features we are trying to cover. Okay. All this need to be JavaScript executor is there. Then tables are there, HTML tables are there, WebDriver architecture is there. These are the topics that are left out. After that, we'll cover. Okay. After that, we'll cover. Okay. Fine. So then, bye, everyone. See you tomorrow. See you in the next session. Sorry.